7 Fleetwood Quantum 365 BSQS Extreme Edition for sale in Casper, Wyoming 82601. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2007 Fleetwood Quantum 365 BSQS Extreme Edition. This luxury travel trailer is 38.25 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 4 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 slide-outs and 1 awning, as well as front and manual leveling jacks. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal abuse, which has enabled its clean condition. This 2007 Fleetwood Quantum 365 BSQS Extreme Edition is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious travel trailer your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area, 3-burner stove, oven and microwave refrigerator / FreezerDouble kitchen, SinkDinette with chair, SeatingFireplaceTelevisionSurround, SoundDVD / CD / StereoSofa, SleeperTwo, ChairsLarge bathroom with ShowerMaster queen size, BedMaster, TelevisionFull master storage closet / DresserHeated tanks for cold weather, no water leaks, 2 new deep cycle batteries put in this YearFour, very good tires, a couple minor dings on the outside, some faded decals due to age, and much more. This 2007 Fleetwood Quantum 365 BSQS Extreme Edition is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This travel trailer is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2007 Fleetwood Quantum 365 BSQS Extreme Edition can be yours.